Dear friends, we at VG Learning Destination feel proud, feel immensely happy to welcome Mr. Brian McHenry from Ireland. He is the president of ACCA. So friends, I'll request Mr. Brian to say a few words to you. So Mr. Brian, we all welcome you. And in fact, not only VG Learning, but India welcomes you.
Well, thank you.
So without spending time, I'll request Mr. Brian to say a few words, please. Mr. Brian, please.
Well, good afternoon and thank you so much for your very kind invitation to come here to what we consider at ACCA one of the finest learning providers that we have the pleasure of dealing with, not just here, indeed, in India, but right around the world. And I would like to, in particular, to say and to congratulate VG Learning Destination on its wonderful facilities here in Delhi. And it's something which at ACCA we're very proud to have our students come to such a fine facility.
Thank you.
Can I say that it is our sincere hope at ACCA that we continue to have many, many years of continuing partnership with VG Learning Destination and indeed with yourself, Mr. Gupta, as one of the finest and one of the most long-standing tax specialists and tax practitioners in the country.
Thank you.
We're very pleased with this association.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
Will you like to say a few words to the students in India that why should they join ACCA?
Well, I believe that ACCA has had significant growth in its student numbers in India, and the reason being is because I think the ACCA qualification is one of the most rounded financial qualifications that exists right around the world. I think it equips students to be in many different to be able to pursue many different careers, for instance, whether that's public practice, whether that is to be in industry as a CFO, whether it is to be in the public sector, or indeed, like yourself, Mr. Gupta, to be in academia. I think it gives you so many different routes to be a specialist in the finance profession. But of course, probably more than anything else, it is what I've always said for myself. ACCA is recognised in 180 countries around the world, and of course it is, as what I've described, my global passport to the finance profession, not just in India, but indeed right throughout the world. And of course we know that the younger generations do like the option and the flexibility of being able to travel abroad for a number of years, and of course being an ACCA member allows you to plug into a network, whether it's in Canada, whether it's in Singapore, whether it's in virtually any country in the world. And that's what is attractive to a lot of ACCA students.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Thank you. So thank you. So we at VG Learning and we all at India thank Mr. Brian for coming to India and choosing our country as a destination country. Thank you, Mr. Brian.
Thank you too.